Alright guys, I have a figure unboxing video. I've decided to use my voice for this one because this is a lot to get through, as you can see. I'm going to try to hurry this up because I don't know how much space I have on my phone right now, but I'm pretty sure it will cut off if I continue talking like this. So let's get straight into it. This box here is going to be for last, but I'm kind of late with this, like really late. Should have done this like weeks ago. But yeah, here are some figures that I recently got and some that I already had. But let's do it. This is an unboxing and a re-unboxing. So some obviously are opened, not fully opened yet. I still haven't looked through it yet, but some. Let's just get to it. Okay. Boom. All right. Gonna start off. First one, probably one of my favorite unboxings. Here we got Kevin Nash, Elite. Gonna use this for a custom. Probably do a head swap here. You got the Wolfpack shirt from, I believe, a Toy Biz Kevin Nash that I've actually been meaning to get a long time ago. Totally forgot about it until now. I'm gonna do a custom where I do some arm switches and things like that to make it look more accurate to a certain picture that I like. Hopefully I can edit the video and show you guys that in the customizing video for them. So yeah, I'm gonna do a head swap and let's just get to the next one. Boom. Okay. Next up, we have this skinny package here. I pretty much know what this is, but let's hope. I think I got, if I am correct, give me a nice plastic bag to go with it. Oh yeah. Oh, I'm glad I have my Kane and Undertaker out. Oh yeah. Paul Bearer. I think he came with an urn, but I'm not sure. Don't see it. Otherwise, it is missing. Probably fell somewhere. Either way, Paul Bearer here. There you are. Nice figure there. Nice for my Kane and Undertaker. I already have one in box, mint on card, but had to get one out of box because I'm not a in-box kind of guy, as you can see. All right, next up, we have a skinny box here. Let's see, I actually don't know what this one is. So I'm gonna try to get this. Try not to get the label